one of your greatest wealths ever in life is your health. Wellness is the act of making healthy choices on a daily basis. And the choices that we make with regard to food have a huge impact on our lives.
Hi, I'm Azzy Boy. I'm a registered dietitian and I'm here to speak about gut health amongst other interesting topics with the SANBS. So stay tuned and let's stay healthy together.
The benefits of exercise are endless. From stress management, disease prevention, from losing weight, just to feel vibrant, energetic.
Hi, SANBS fitness coach in collaboration with SANBS to bring you guys everything health and wellness through movement and fitness. Let's stay healthy together.
My name is Katlego Lekalakala. I use my medical background to help me educate women about their maternal health. I'd like you guys to all please join us on this journey and let's stay healthy together.